First we're gonna take this shakarkandi, boiled sweet potato, and we'll boil it, peel it and mash it. Peeled and mashed potatoes. 1/4 cup of kuttu ka atta. We can also take sabudana powder or shamak chal powder or adrak. Green chillies or hari mirchi, finely chopped. These are chopped nuts. This is almond, cashew, pistachio, anything you can add. Desiccated coconut और सूखा नारियल ग्रेट किया हुआ you can add. Finely chopped धनिया पत्ता और coriander leaves as per your taste. Half teaspoon sugar to enhance the taste. Now we're gonna mix everything up nicely. सब अच्छे से खूब मिला लेना है हम लोग को. We'll take small portion like this and we'll mix round balls. छोटे छोटे हमें गोल गोल balls बना लेने हैं. So I made the small balls and these are ready now. This is appe pan and I have preheated this. I already put it in the gas. मैंने पहले ही इसको गरम कर लिया है. Now I'll apply some ghee in this pan. I'll put this balls in it. We'll roast it. If you don't have this appe pan, you can also take a normal tawa and उसमें टिकिया की तरह सेक के भी you can also have. Apply some ghee on the top. We'll flip it off. So look at the color. In a very less ghee, we are making this balls. We can add some more ghee if needed. Look at this color. इसको अच्छे से सेक लीजिए. In a very less ghee and with sweet potato, we can make such a wonderful dish. Now we'll plate it in this. And the sweet potato bombs are ready to serve.